Hold on. Oh, light as fuck. Y'all.
You see right there, boy? I saw mine in the back.
My head small as fuck.
Stop fucking my head up.
Look at my head up. We in the woods, cause we like to hike. Oh wow, look. Hola. Okay, so I am up. I've been up for a while. I just decided to pick up the camera. Now it is 2:53. I am up. I am doing a journal on my laptop. Today I am going to a bonfire with my family, and we're going down to this land, and we're gonna,
Boyfriend.
It's gonna be fun.
my secret boyfriend. Oh, damn, I got multiple, but it's okay.
See?
Don't start, cause we know we're not gonna stop. But we're supposed to be going down to this land and having like a bonfire and all, so that is the move. So I got to shower. I was gonna do my lashes, but as you can see, that did not happen. I have to fix my hair, cause baby, it needs to be fixed. Yeah, so I'm gonna be getting ready soon, but you know the first thing we have to do. I mean, they gotta pass the house to get to the place anyway.
They might change their mind.
No, see, you a hater, and no, it's not happening.
Fucking
Nah, you hated, cause what the you supposed to speak positivity. You speaking negativity.
I'm thinking real life. Fuck.
You guys, let me tell you something. If somebody sit here and be like, "Boo, downfall," they speaking negativity. Talking about, I'm trying to speak life and logic. Nah, we high and bright over here. Anyways, but what was I saying? Until I was rudely interrupted.
You put yourself.
I interrupted me? Sounds personal. Anyways. But yeah, the first things first right now is I have to finish my journal. That's my most important thing. I got to finish praying and typing. So yeah. Say hi, princess. And that boy is right here. Alright. It is 3 o'clock. We don't want to know my passcode. It is 3 o'clock. We have I Love My Life. And we have the word as butterus. To support and uphold. Worth it. You guys, I feel some type of way. Hold on. Oh, light as fuck. Alright, I feel some type of way because I didn't even record. Like, I recorded me washing my face, but it was in slow motion. But this is what I'm wearing. Hold on. I don't know if you can see. But this is what I'm wearing. I am wearing just a t-shirt and some jeans. I'm about to probably put on some Crocs and head out on this man's hat hour. How I look. Ooh. Ah. Your head small as fuck.
Don't stop fucking my head up.
Stop fucking my head up. All right. So I just put on Valentino. It smells so good. But I'm about to go ahead, head downstairs. My grandpa wants a water bottle, so I'm gonna get him a water bottle. Let me hurry up and go. I'll be right back. You guys, I am here. My parents call this the camper, but I am here. And then there's a lake. It's a lake back there, if you can see. Yeah, you know, I had to. They're gonna sponsor me soon. Promise you that. But there's a lake back there. And this is really nice though. This is my first time ever being out here, so.
Just get whatever you want.
I see.
I don't know if I want some Ritz crackers though. What is this? Chocolate? I should give me another sparkling water.
See, you sit down, you watch the
Oh, and it's cold too. You guys, what should I pick?
I'm waiting to cook
Alright.
Oh, you got snacks.
Yes, that's what we was doing. I can't record. Yo. This is so beautiful. You wanna be on my video? No. Say hey, this is my cousin Brianna.
Being fat.
We in the woods, cause we like to hike. Yeah, we had to grab some snacks. We fat. Oh wow! Look! Oh snap!
Britney.
Y'all, I might mess around and do some cartwheels right quick. Wow. I feel like I'm on top of the world. It is so much land. Oh wow, this is nice. Look at the moons. Look at the moon. This is so nice. Insecurities, I'm not gonna lie.
Okay, I got you.
Like nobody wanna believe me when I say certain things, but when I say it's a constant battle, back and forth.
You see that?
Yeah.
You see right there, the lake? I saw mine in the back. All that back.
Won't need it.
You so up, Bob. You better give me what you gonna give me.
Alright, y'all. We finna just walk. You guys, my parents are so cute. Like, look at this. This is so cute. Look at my grandpa in the bag over there laughing. Say hi, Grandpa. But no, like, look. Oh, I can't even open this. They got the... This is really cute. I like this. And this is like what the, they call it the camper. This is so cute. All right, down we go. Oh, shoot. Dark.
I'm gonna move like my baby.
Yes.
You like pink?
If that's the case, y'all, I am so in love. Where is my parents going? Y'all, look at this. Where are they going? My mom over there.
I'm calling you. No, I'm not calling
I mean, where we going? Let's go.
I'm out.
I'm going. He's trying to take you guys to your class.
Oh, yeah. Boy, you know how much. Here, we in the woods. It's cold and it is. I can't see shit. I'm over here.
Your light is really the only thing that's giving us light.
Exactly. Hey, now you the way how you just said that. Your light is the only thing that's giving us light. I like that. That was too fun. Wow, you ready to go?
Staying here. Kid, what about to be here?
Oh, he's coming?
Yeah. What's up?
I am in the bathroom. I gotta pee so bad. But yeah, this is so cute. I'm gonna show y'all. So they got like a little toilet in here. Got the sink, the mirror. And there's people outside trying to keep messing with my dude. Oh.
There you go. Good call.
They gotta do it.
Stick.
You must have used the chain.
You can sit your butt down. I'm gonna chainsaw.
Chainsaw.
All the demons party all night.
Yep.
For bed.
Yep. And it's
Hold on. How he got a s'mores?
we got the tea.
This ain't a s'more. This is an oatmeal.
No, every single night before we go to bed, we keep getting tea from outside because they keep yelling. There was this 4th grader and this 5th grader fighting each other, tussling on the ground, And I was watching it with my best friend because we was walking past it.
I'm not
Shoot.
gonna lie to you, I get a kick out seeing all the drama.
Yep.
I'm sorry.
Oh, this is a good fight.
Trust me, I know you do. It is a good fire. You know what?
You got
Dang, as soon as I say try to give you your flowers, you dropping them.
Hey, but I ain't gonna lie, that's just burning. I feel it like from back here, like.
Mm-hmm.
It's just burning. If I had to go caveman, though, real quick.
Oh, nice, Jonathan.
What is it? You a win and they should in a praise.